What's your name?
My name is Sarah.
Sarah. Beautiful name. How old are you, Sarah? How old are you? 7, 6,
7.
7? Oh, 7. How old are you? I'm 7. How old are you? I'm 7 years old. I'm 7 years old. Okay. Sarah, how are you today?
I'm happy.
Yes, happy. What color do you like? I like red, pink. What do you like? I like pink, orange, red, purple. You like purple? Yellow, red, no? Pink. Yes, okay. Can you say, I like pink?
I like pink.
Yes, okay. Next, what food do you like? I like.
Banana.
Oh, I like banana too. Do you like ice cream? Yes? Do you like apples? Yes, okay. Those are healthy foods. Okay, today, Sarah, are you ready?
Yeah.
Yes, okay. Look at the screen and let's start. Can you tell me the letter and the sound? Letter,
Letter A.
sound,
Sound A. Letter B. Sound B. Letter sound
C,
C.
sound,
Sound.
letter C, sound, ka. Next, letter D, sound, letter Z, E, sound, letter F, sounds. Okay, fuck. All right, here. Look, what letter is it? Can you tell me letter? Ant. One more time. Ant. Okay, next. Okay, ant. Next. Letter C, ka.
Candy.
Candy. Good job. Next.
The drum.
Drum is correct. Good job. Next.
Frog.
Frog is correct. Great job. Okay, here we go for the final part. Here is the, hold on. Where is it? Ta-da! Okay, so here is the farm. Sarah, can you tell me what is it?
Is apple.
It's an apple. What's the color? Color?
Color.
What color is it? Pink? White? What color? Color?
Red.
Red. How many apples do you see? How many apples? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many apples? 5 apples. What's the beginning letter?
Letter A.
A. Letter? A. Letter? A. Sounds? Ah. Okay, good. Here. What is it?
Car.
It's a car. What's the beginning letter?
Letter.
What letter is that?
Letter.
Letter? That's a sound. Letter C. You forgot. Okay, sounds?
Sound.
Yes, okay. Don't forget. Here. Do you see? What animal is it? It's a...
Is a bird.
Very good. Tell me, how many birds do you see? How many birds?
One
Bird.
bird.
Okay, tell me the beginning letter.
Letter B.
Good. What's the beginning sound?
Sound.
Yes, Sarah. Great job. Okay, here. What are they? They are
Is
moo. What's that? Moo. Cow. Right? How many cows do you see? How many cows? 1, 2 cows. Okay, here. Is this a lion?
is
No. What is this?
is a cat.
Cat. Great job. Is this a lion?
No,
What is it?
is a dog.
Dog. What's the beginning letter? Letter
D.
D sounds.
The
Do you like dogs? Yes or no?
yeah.
Yes, I do. Okay, here. Is this a frog? Is this a frog?
Yes.
No! It's a fish.
Fish.
Yes, not a frog. What's the beginning letter? Fish. Beginning letter is letter, 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 letter. What's the beginning letter? Letter F.
And
What's the sound?
sound
F. What's the sound of letter F? Fish, right? Okay. I think that's okay now, Sarah. Say goodbye to teacher.
goodbye teacher.
Goodbye, Sarah. Study hard, okay? Okay, bye-bye.